Okay. Um. Hey guys, Baby Man Blitz here. So today we will be playing some Fortnite. Yes, that's right. I'm using a PlayStation 4 controller over here. Now this is in the new update where they they put in the vending machines plus a new squad, not a new squad mode. So let's jump right in. We're doing a no-fill match.
Hi.
And this is Panda Lady. She's also a YouTuber and a Twitch
Hi,
streamer.
everybody. Panta Simmer Lady.
I will put her stuff in the description below. Go check out her Twitch and her YouTube channel. And put a like on this video. If we do, I might put more Fortnite videos. We don't have a goal yet since we don't have enough followers for that. Well, subscribers for that. Let's jump right in. My god.
Somebody just hit me with an Easter egg. I'm going to get you.
I didn't know they had Easter eggs in Fortnite.
Kind of Easter egg. Where are we going? I say we go to retail.
No, going to be too busy, so I'm just gonna jump randomly.
Okay, just tell me when.
Mom, I already jumped.
You turd. Where are you?
I see you. I'm below you.
I don't see you.
I'm near the ground, so...
There you go. There you are. Okay.
Just gonna come over here.
You're just gonna land, huh?
Yeah. Hopefully I get the guided missile. Looks like my luck is... Nah, it's just a regular rocket launcher.
Well, at least you have something. Hold on.
So yeah.
Y'all have got me addicted to this game.
Well, good.
Hey, got an ammo case. Yay!
Rockets, rockets, and more rockets. Yes, just what we need. More rockets.
Yeah, well, I need a gun.
There's a gun over here.
Where? I'm coming.
Over in Salty. It's too salty, so you might want to wash it first. Yes, I just made a Salty Springs joke. There was only wood.
You're joking. I do not have anything but a pickaxe to save myself.
I think there's... yeah. Hey, there's a chest up here. Dude.
I hear it.
Okay, you go up there. It's right here. There you go.
All right. I took damage.
I just jumped, so...
Where are you?
In Salty. Because I'm way too salty for this.
Uh-huh. I'm in a house.
Same.
good, that was you. Can I take this too?
Yes, because I got everything I needed.
Oh, do you need bullets?
Nope, because I just got some more. So this is going to be a test run for the to see how well it goes, how well my game goes with the PlayStation controller. Let's hope it goes really well. Well, so far it has. No special programs. All you need to do this is a PlayStation or Xbox controller and a USB cord that goes with it.
Hey, let's go.
Go where?
Alright, I'm going to the gas station.
There's nothing in here.
I need some fuel. Really?
I'm gonna take.
Oh, right on.
I was gonna take that one. Are you? Oh wait, I took it. Now I have 3 rocket launchers. This is gonna be all-out war. Hey, I need ammo.
Hey, there's some ammo and another rocket launcher.
I got... Got 21 rockets. What's over here?
Oh, another one with rockets.
Mom?
Get it.
I did. Do you see what it is?
Oh, it's a heat-sinking missile thingy.
You want to test it out?
No.
I'm going to test it out on the balcony.
No, let's not. We're gonna let people know we're here. Are you freaking kidding me, dude?
Nope, but I just took out a chest. Yes, I am that type of player on here.
Great, I'm shooting frickin' Easter eggs.
And I'm shooting rockets. I'm shooting
Do
rocks.
not shoot any more rockets. Let's go in here and see what's in here.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Do you hear that?
Yes, I hear that. Oh, that's it. Let's go get him. Get him.
Yep, I... So close.
Oh, shit. There's somebody over here. Oh, Connor, sorry. Oh, sorry, Blitz.
Mom? Mom, run! How the...
Where is it coming from?
Right there. But there's also another one.
Oh, shoot!
Oh, you're not dead?
Oh, man! Oh, dude! Oh, stop! Oh! Oh,
I'm not gonna end the video right now. We're going to do another.
Oh, that's hard.
We're gonna do another match, and then I'm gonna end the video if it's at 20 minutes. So.
I want to apologize to all of Blitz's viewers. Did not mean to curse.
I don't care if it's family friendly.
I didn't mean to call his real name either.
Wait, you said my real name? Well then. Forget whatever she said. That's not my real name. My real name is Blitz. So, yeah.
His real name is Seth Abel Kane.
Really?
You know who Seth Abel Kane is, right? Those are the 3 sons of Adam.
I know. So, let's go ahead and start the match.
Hold on just a second.
Okay.
Man, that was crazy.
True that. Let's go ahead and do squad duos. Yeah.
Alright.
I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording. Oh, never mind.
Alright.
Using a controller for me is much easier than using a mouse and keyboard.
This is fun.
Yes, this is fun.
That was hard. Almost survived. Hey, but we didn't do too bad. We placed 16th, though.
Well, where do we want to land?
Just tell me when to jump, because
right
you
there.
always win. Right where?
Jump.
I did.
It's right below us. If anybody has any tips on how I could make this channel better, just do start a hashtag in the description saying
come on, get down, get down.
Just do the hashtag make this channel great again.
Can I finish?
Yeah, go ahead and pickaxe him.
Yeah, because I kind of need a gun.
He had no guns.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
And no
now I got C4.
And I have no more ammo, so...
Oh, shit.
Well, guys, we just got into another match, and we got into an intense battle so far.
Yeah, but I just got, like, assist. I didn't get death. I didn't get a kill.
Do you want this pistol?
No.
Okay, I'm going to...
You have a gun?
Yes. Let's see what's up here. A shotgun, do you want it?
No.
Let's start heading towards the circle. Looks like we're gonna have to go into the place that is about to be destroyed.
Oh no. Is it going into Tilted?
Yes.
You're joking, right?
No, somebody decrypted the Morse codes. It said SOS D5 on 418.
I have got to find some bandages or something. I've only got 49 health.
Let's check out this place down here. So yeah, guys, the rumors are true about Tilted Towers. It is going to be destroyed at the end of the season. To me, that's a bad thing, but to other people, it's a good thing.
Yeah, because I hate Tilted.
I love Tilted. Tilted is life.
You know that guy's gonna be gunning for me now, right? He will sit here the rest of the day and play this game, hoping to get...
Let's go.
Sounds like it's coming from the right.
That's because it is. Don't engage. Yeah.
I'm not. You go over there. I'm gonna go and look in this truck and see if there's anything in this truck.
Finally, something I can use for my gun.
In that...
You want to go ahead and engage them?
No, because I'm gonna die. We're running away from the circle, you know.
I know. What? Do you want the bush? There's a bush right there.
I don't want this pistol.
Guess I'll take the bush. And the revolver.
Alright, we got a long way to go.
Not really. But do you see what I see?
I see a guy in a house.
Yeah, I'm gonna engage him. Oh, really? Got him.
Oh, I need that.
Oh. There you go. And I'm going to get the chest up here.
Oh, that's C4. Wouldn't happen to have a mini, would you?
Nope.
Okay.
I don't have any more on me, so...
Alright, you ready?
Give me a second.
Shoot, shoot, shoot.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry, Steam popped up.
There's something on top that mountain. Be careful.
Nah, those two.
Alright, let's get...
Nada.
I guess we can... Let's go run in this way.
But this... I know that's the quickest way, but it's also the dangerous way.
Sure, as the guys are fighting on the frickin' mountain watching us.
And I'm running low on ammo right now, so... Do you want the
What's that?
tack?
No. What I want is a shield.
Can't help you with that.
No, but we need to get in that. We need to get in the circle. Here comes the storm, and it is fast moving.
I thought we were going to say, here comes the sun.
Oh, wait, there's a chest in here.
Yeah, you have to come out to get it. Hopefully there's some medium ammo in it. Nope. Whoop. Do you want the sniper?
No.
Okay, I'll trade you for the shotgun.
Doesn't matter. Shit. Shoot.
We gotta run this way. Because we have ways to go.
There's 26 other people.
I know. This is new.
I don't trust it.
Now I see why it's new. Look what it is.
Yeah.
Same. Wait, how much wood do you have?
I have 4.
Okay then.
Alright, let's go. Are we running into Pleasant?
We're running into
Salty.
Salty. Looks like we're gonna be salty and go to Salty.
Ha ha ha.
We have like 10 seconds left.
8.
6.
Drop. I hear it. Somebody's already claimed it.
It's coming from the right side.
Yeah, I hear it. That's because somebody's already claimed that. Wow.
Nothing good, nothing good.
We need to get out of here. They left those guns just like that. Been caught in traps way too many times.
Nothing.
I don't like being open like this. Out in the open like this.
Well, we kind of have no choice. Looks like we're going in by Moisty.
Ew.
I don't call it Meyer, okay? I just call it Moist.
Oh shoot! Somebody's behind us. Hunter! Oh. Sorry.
Well, guys, I'm going to end the video right here. I hope y'all enjoyed it. please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out Panda Lady's channel, which will be
Panda Simmer Lady.
which will be in the description below. So, peace out, guys.
Nope.
Bye.
Yeah. Don't forget to follow me on Twitch.